Malaria is the deadliest parasitic disease on the planet. It causes nearly 1 million deaths a year. The disease is caused by a single-celled parasite called Plasmodium.
The malaria parasite invades the body's red blood cells, reproducing inside them until they explode and die. The dead blood cells then form clumps that block the body's blood vessels, starving its organs and tissues of oxygen, eventually killing them. Malaria begins in the gut of a mosquito. When an infected mosquito bites a host, the parasites travel from the insect's saliva into the host's bloodstream. The parasites reproduce in the host's blood and internal organs. When an uninfected mosquito bites an infected host, the life cycle is complete. Infected mosquitoes thrive in warm, often tropical locations.
If a person's diagnosed in time and receives proper treatment, it's very possible to survive malaria.
It's also preventable. When traveling in affected areas, taking anti-malaria drugs and sleeping under an insecticide-treated net dramatically reduce the risk of infection.
Malaria is deadly because it destroys red blood cells, and that prevents the body from getting oxygen to its organs.